Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get approved for options on Interactive Brokers. First, you will learn about the 4 different options trading levels available. Then, we will cover the essential eligibility requirements, including age and financial criteria. Next, I will guide you through the step-by-step application process within the client portal. Finally, you will discover valuable tips to help maximize your chances of approval for your desired options trading level. To qualify for options trading, Interactive Brokers assesses several key factors. For levels 2 through 4, you must be at least 21 years of age. It is crucial to demonstrate adequate trading experience and a solid understanding of options products. Additionally, a minimum net liquidation value of $2,000 is generally required for uncovered options positions. Your stated investment objectives should also clearly support options trading strategies. The application process is straightforward once you are logged into your account. Navigate to the user menu, typically represented by a head and shoulders icon, then select Settings. From there, find the Trading section and click on Trading Permissions. You will then see the Options section where you can choose your desired trading level. After selecting, carefully review and digitally sign all required disclosures and agreements to submit your request. To increase your likelihood of approval, always provide accurate information regarding your trading experience and financial situation. It is often wise to initially request only the options level you truly need, as you can always upgrade later. If your financial circumstances have improved, update your profile before applying. After submission, your request will typically be reviewed within 24 to 48 hours, so please be patient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.